In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Shopify to Xero step by step so your online sales can flow smoothly into your accounting system. By the end, you'll have the official Shopify integration by Xero set up and ready to go. Before we start, make sure you're already logged into your Xero account in your browser and that you have access to the Shopify store you want to connect. Having both of those ready will make this process quick and straightforward. First, head over to the Xero website by opening your browser and going to xero.com. If you're not logged in yet, sign in with your usual account details and wait for your main Xero dashboard to load. This is the central place where you manage your business finances, and from here, we'll jump into the Xero App Store. Once your dashboard is open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small grid icon, usually made up of several little squares. This grid icon is Xero's app launcher and navigation shortcut. Go ahead and click that grid icon. When you click it, a menu will open showing different options and tools available within Xero. In that menu, look for the option that says Open Xero App Store. This is where Xero lists all the apps and integrations that can connect with your account. Click Open Xero App Store and Xero will take you to a new page in the App Store interface. Once the App Store page loads, find the search bar, usually at the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type Shopify. This will filter the available apps and show you integrations that work with Shopify. Give it a moment for the results to appear. In the list of results, you're looking specifically for Shopify integration by Xero. This is the official integration created and maintained by Xero itself, which is generally the most reliable and best supported option. Click on Shopify integration by Xero to open the app's detail page. On this page, you can usually see a summary of what the integration does, how it syncs data, and any additional information you might find helpful. On the app's detail page, look for the button that says Get this app. This is how you start the actual connection process. Click Get this app. Xero may show you a brief confirmation screen or ask which organization you want to connect if you manage more than one. Confirm the organization you're working with and continue. Next, you'll see an option or button labeled Connect App. This is the key step where Xero and Shopify begin to link together. Click Connect App. At this point, you may be redirected to Shopify to log in, or if you're already logged into Shopify in another tab, it may go straight to an authorization screen. Follow the prompts to approve the connection so that Shopify can share data with Xero. Once you've clicked connect and approved the permissions, Xero and Shopify will complete the link in the background. From here, you can go into the integration settings to review how orders, payouts, and fees will sync, but the core connection is now in place. That's all you need to connect Shopify to Xero using the official Xero integration.